Okay, my favourite book is Interview with a Vampire by Ry'n. Her writing is amazing and it has transported me to worlds and countries that I've never been to. It creates visions in my mind and her writing is outstanding. Yeah, I recommend it to everybody. Don't watch the film, read the book. Please read the book.
Hiya, dwi'n Charlotte Till. Mae hoff llyfr fi ydi Looking for Alaska gan John Green. Mae'n dipyn bach yn girly a bob dim, ond dwi just lyfio fo achos mae'n adventurous, mae'n romantic a bob dim. Dwi'n just absolutely lyfio fo.
My favourite book, or range of books, are the Alex Rider series by Anthony Horowitz. I know they're actually children's books, but I read them when I was an adult and I bought the entire range based on reading just one of them on the Kindle. The reason I bought them in actual books is because I really like paper books. They're my favourite, but the entire range is so good, really exciting. And if you've ever heard Anthony Horowitz speaking on the radio, he speaks 500 miles an hour. He's so excited, and that's how his books are. They're 500 miles an hour. They're fantastic.